I've been married for almost 15 years to Kelton. He's a designer, an architect, and then we have one daughter, Gwendolyn, and she's almost 8 years old.
The current piece I'm working on right now is composed of mainly steel, and there's a component that's in the lake, a series of buoys and water lilies. So it's a pretty large piece. It's probably in total about 40 to 50 feet long. Starting at age 27, I was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer, went through treatments to get me through that. Since then, really, I've been in great health up until 5 years ago when I had a heart attack. I was age 39.
If Kelton wouldn't have had health insurance whenever he was first diagnosed, it would have bankrupted him. We were just dating at the time, but those bills, as they came in, looking at $250,000 every time he was in the hospital. Thankfully, he had at least limited health insurance, and then ever since then, our family has made it a top priority to be sure that we had the best health insurance that we could provide. I think health insurance is absolutely crucial. In fact, our friends are used to us preaching about how they must have health insurance, and our family knows all too well what can happen if you don't. It's expensive to have health insurance, but it is not nearly as expensive as it would be if we didn't have it. One of my least favorite things to do is to shop for health insurance. We have a broker who's been helpful in that way, but it is still incredibly complicated. And I feel like I'm a bright gal and I can usually figure things out, but there's just no apples to apples comparisons. Our family is very hopeful that Connect for Health Colorado is going to be able to offer not only us, but myriad people who have not ever had health insurance or are not happy with their health insurance be able to have an opportunity to get good, affordable care.
It sounds like what we need in terms of being able to choose our health insurance, to be sure that we can have the physicians we want to work with, especially given my history. I definitely, that's important. I want to be sure that that our family is always covered.